Guys, you know what? I met this hot chick. Oh my goodness! She works in the White House. She works with President Barack Obama. And guess what? Let's meet her. What's your name?
My name is Omuefe Ogbede, and I work in real estate, actually. But I work for the U.S. government in agricultural and international trade policy. I just met Miriam and instantly fell in love with her. Her energy, she's so exuberant, so real, and it's very hard to find real people these days, and real ones win. The real ones win. So I am like betting on her. And
hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am off to San Francisco. I'm in San Francisco, Jamie. So we have an event today. It's a tech event, and of course I am tagging along with her. Oh God, it's hot, as you can see now. So you know what? Come with me. Let's go. I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys. And if you are new to this channel, Biko, I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from, Biko? Go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments. I want to meet you guys. What state are you watching from? Which country are you watching from? Which county are you watching from? What city are you watching from? And what do you do for a living? Leave a comment. I want to meet you guys. You know, as you can see, your girl. Hey, I am all fired up today, man. Hey, I can't wait. I cannot shout. Hi.
Hello, hello. How are you?
Good.
Why do you look different? What did you do?
Cut my hair.
Oh, I was wondering.
Hello, Chief.
Wow.
Can't tell the difference.
Yeah.
Hello?
Brotherly.
Nice haircut. I know. Nice haircut.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi. I'm a content creator.
Hey, no problem.
On YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Hi. Okay. Okay. Okay, so guys, I have the pleasure of bringing to you the genius, our one and only, our God itself. He organized the event today. They know that I'm crazy on my channel. He organized today's events, and let's hear from the horse's mouth. Please, can you introduce yourself to us and what this event is all about?
So, my name is Yusuf. I'm the co-founder of Talent Cure, All School Africa, and Tech Point Africa. And what we do is we enable talent in Africa, and that's what we're doing. We build, we enable, we connect, and we empower talent in Africa. And this event is just, I'm in town, I'm in SF. Like, let's create a community of Africans. Let people come together, share, connect, and we will build something out of that. That's definitely why we're doing this.
That's awesome. I see you were also part of CC Hub back in the days.
Yeah, back in the days.
Oh.
Yeah, I was there during the early days.
Oh, was that where you met my husband?
I met him different
Outside.
places. Different
Oh.
places. We're always together, different events and stuff.
Oh wow, that's amazing. So tell us about the conference coming up in September.
Okay, so
You
in
know.
September we are hosting the largest tech conference, African tech conference. And what we want to do is we want to bring Africans together in the US. We want to bring investors together to come and see to come and listen to what we're building on the continent. And also bring a lot of people, we have a lot of Nigerians in Africa that in tech. Why don't we bring everybody together from Boston to Austin to New York to DC? Everybody come to Silicon Valley. Let's have an event in Silicon Valley. Let's register ourselves as Africans, and we'll use opportunity to tour some of the big companies in Silicon Valley as well, like Facebook, Google, PayPal, and some of these companies. And that's what we're doing together in September.
Okay, do you have a precise date?
Yeah, we have the date, but I don't know it now. But I think it's
okay.
like 16 to 17, 18.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem. So we'll communicate that in due course. So,
Africa Tech Day.
okay, so guys, take note. Africa Tech Day
Tech Day.
is happening in September 2022. So stay
Yeah.
connected. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Stay connected on this YouTube channel, and make sure that you stay tuned so that you don't miss out on this juicy opportunity. You know how we do it on this channel. So at this point, I want to say big thank you. Thank you so much for taking your time to
Thank you for
air this
interviewing
on
me,
my-
and thank you for
Sure,
coming out.
anytime,
to
bro.
join us.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Guys, you know what? I met this hot chick. Oh my goodness. She works in the White House. She works with President Barack Obama. And guess what? Let's meet her. What's your name?
My name is Omoefe Ogbede, and I work in real estate, actually. But I work for the U.S. government in agricultural and international trade policy. I just met Miriam and instantly fell in love with her. Her energy, she's so exuberant, so real, and it's very hard to find real people these days. And real ones win. The real ones win. So I am like betting on her, and I'm just happy to be here. It's the African Tech, not conference, but a meetup. It's amazing to see how much Africans and Nigerians especially are doing in the tech space, and like all the talent that we have, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. I've worked in polymer technology and autonomous vehicle technology, but not in roles where I was a technologist. So now I really would love to get involved in data science and build my resume and hopefully work for a thing, or thing, Facebook, Amazon. Oh, it's Meta, not Facebook anymore, so it's May. But I hope to work for a big company, and or start my own, actually. Working with Miriam, I'm pretty sure I'm going to start a few of my own businesses. But for right now, I'm just looking for experience. And I think also I would like to start working at alt school, technological knowledge, and get you prepared for the workforce. And I'm super excited to look into it. And it's super effective. Sorry. And I think that it's like a new idea that is gonna take over the world. And I'm thankful that I was able to meet the founder today, Adewale. And so my sister is the one who actually, Angel is the one who actually introduced me to everybody, and I'm so grateful to her as well. She brought me out of the real estate world, which is like old-fashioned tech. It's not technological advanced.
Love it.
And so I'm very excited to I'm sorry I'm saying so much, but I'm very excited to get involved in the workforce and just learn more. I started self-teaching in Python and SQL. And it's been very difficult to do it by myself, and so I'm really looking for support and a great system to get me where I need to go, because I'm going places, and I know that I'm going to make it. So, you guys are meeting me now, but we'll check back in, and hopefully I'll be on the channel more, because I'm going to be working with Miriam in so many different capacities. She's a fashion designer, she's a coach, she's a YouTuber, she's a mother, she's a best friend, she's all these amazing things, and I love just her energy, and she gave me this license to be myself.
Oh yeah.
And she made me go on camera.
Oh yeah.
So if I look uncomfortable, it's because I'm not used to being on camera, but I love this. It's fun. So thank you, Miriam, for the opportunity, and thank you, Alonzo, for filming me today. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you. That was awesome.
So we're bringing them together. We'll make it we're looking at 300 to 500 people event where people pitch, people talk about startup they're building, and we talk about the continent of Africa and what we are building, because it's left to entrepreneurs to build this. And you guys, I know a lot of people have been writing checks to support startup back home now, but we need to do more, and we need to come together. And that's my own role. I love to bring people together. And so thank you for coming out this evening.
Guys, guess what? I met this tech guru here at this meetup. It is sizzling, sizzling hot. Their fathers. You know what? Let's hear from the horse's mouth. What's your name? Can we meet you?
Hi, my name is Angel, co-founder Crowdfund Fees, co-founder Confirm Pay. We met through Adewale, CEO of Tech Points. I came here, Adewale invited me, told me there's a meetup for African founders, African investors, basically to build a new ecosystem in San Francisco. And I was like, what the hell, I should be here, right? New ecosystem.
What do you think of this event? Do you think we should have more of this event, where we Africans get together, come up with ideas, and maybe create a startup, our own ecosystem? Yes, the Black ecosystem.
I do believe Nigeria in general, people say when Nigeria gets its stuff together, the whole world shake, right? So this ecosystem that we're building right now, I think we should have more of these events. In fact, we should have more of these events. We should actually even come together as a community and deploy more capital towards startups that are incubating. Being here today, I just heard from some wonderful startups on GIST, allowing you to give mobile numbers in any country though instantly in seconds. So many startups here, all school developing, allowing you to creating education for the 99%. So many things are building in an ecosystem right now, and I believe Africa is the future, Black economy is the future, and we're gonna see in the next 5 years, you're gonna see for yourself. It's gonna be crazy.
Awesome. Thank you so much. It's been wonderful having you on my channel.
Before I leave, Crowdfund Fees, the platform for you to create loans, minimum loans that allows any student from Nigeria, Pakistan, and they can create loans online, and people everyone in the world can invest in them to go study abroad.
Oh, okay. What's the name of the platform?
Crowdfund Fees.
Crowdfund your fees.
Yes.
Okay, I'd like you to text it to me so I don't make a mistake, so I can direct people to to search.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So guys, guess what? I met this celebrity here at this event. You don't want to know. So let's ask from the horse's mouth. Can we meet you? What's your name?
Hi, my name's Andrea, and I'm here through my friend Angel who invited me. I'm just here enjoying myself, just relaxing and enjoying to meet people like this lovely, beautiful person. Yeah, that's everything.
Okay, so thank you so much. It's been an honor having you here, and thank you for agreeing to feature. I know you didn't want to feature in the first place, but that's okay. And I hope you feel cool about you appearing on my channel.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Guys, guess what? I've always got you covered on this channel. On this channel, I bring freebies that will help you and become better versions of yourself. Guess what? She has something for you guys. Now, let's hear from the horse's mouth. Please, over to you.
Hi, my name is Angel. I do CEO Crowdfund Fees and co-founder Confirm Pay. So basically, Crowdfund Fees is a platform where international students can get loans from their family, their friends, and people, foreign investors on the internet. Basically, a P2P crowd lending platform.
Oh, okay. Awesome. So how does it work?
So right now, most international students coming from developing countries have a hard time getting loans to go study. Many of them just give up and study locally or become entrepreneurs. So our platform is easy. Students can create a profile, and in seconds go to crowdfundyourfees.com, create a profile, upload their SAT scores, proof of acceptance to the institution that they're looking to attend, maybe in the US or in Canada, like University of Waterloo, and then upload it, goes live, and investors can look at the student, look at how much the student is offering to repay them back at what rate, and invest for them. It's that easy.
Okay, so does it come with interest?
Yes. So the student sets the interest rate. So like you can be like, oh, I want to pay you back 5% in 10 years on your money.
Oh, okay.
And then form a fractional loan.
Okay, and you can get a lower interest rate depending on how.
Yeah, you set your rate. So if you want it at 5%, you think, you know, people back at 5%, then yeah.
Okay, so what about if you want 1% or 1.5%?
You create a profile and put 1%. Yep.
Oh, okay. So on how platforms actually allow students to set their interest rate, can you beat that? Have you ever heard that before? Guys, go ahead and check it out. Can you call the name of the platform again?
So www.crowdfundyourfees.com.
Crowdfundyourfees.com. Guys, tell a friend that crowdfundyourfees.com has got you covered. If this video has blessed you, you know how to do it. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification. And turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. And I hope today has been an insightful event for you guys. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I remain your girl Chassis. Till I see you in my next video, take care of yourselves and bye for now. Mwah.